Alright, so welcome again. It's the rapping chef. I like the sound of that. It sounds good. Trick. I might show you a video how I get that done. But today is another video. Today I'll be teaching and showing you how to make gumbo. But this gumbo is going to be a little bit different. So, you know, without further ado, run the intro.
Perfect.
Alright, so welcome back. This video is me showing you how to make gumbo. I've learned from a mentor and also from, you know, folks who really specialize in the Cajun dishes. And what I did, I formulate my own dish. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So, okay, so I'm so excited. So let's get started. So first, what we're going to do, alright? I'm going to tell you about the Holy Trinity. The Holy Trinity in the culinary world. In the New Orleans recipe manual. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready for it? It's gonna be celery, onions, and pepper. 3 different colors, just like the color wheel, and we're gonna get started. So let's get the show on the road. So we're gonna start off with our celery. We're gonna need sexy red pepper. I got me some green onions. Is a jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage. Something different on the okra. Okra is the type of plant that it's crunchy taste to it on the inside when you cook. We're gonna need butter. We're doing half a cup of flour. Smoke jerk pork, spicy. I got this from the food truck. So I start off with 300. So what I do, I'm gonna show you how we get this done. So first thing first, what we want to do, we want to make our roux. The roux is equal flour and equal butter, and we kind of cook that up. But with the gumbo, the gumbo base is based on a dark roux. So we're gonna do a dark roux with the butter and the flour. So as I make my roux, I kind of add salt to my roux. That's my trick. That's why my gumbo is always good. Again, once you get the roux nice and light brown, not too dark like me again, but just light brown. Put everything that you prepped in there. That's just the trinity. That's the pepper, the onion, and the celery. That's the whole trinity when it comes to the culinary part of the New Orleans gumbo. The velouté is one of the 5 mother sauces. The velouté is cold stock to a hot roux. So this is what we're going to use for this process. Some chef Pablo in there. Some crushed red bell pepper. Like the okra, I add that last to it. Share the video, make sure you share it. The gumbo done now. So no one can go make on no one. The gumbo done. No one can. Now you guys can go ahead and make your own. Like and subscribe. What me say get you know.